Hello there, it's Mr. Neary with a video on how to lubricate your trombone slide if it's not working as well as it normally does. Two things you're going to need before you start. You're going to need a little water sprayer bottle. You can buy these from supermarkets, you can buy them from music shops, but it's just a sort of standard water sprayer. But if you're using anything that's maybe in a perfume bottle or whatever, make sure that you clear out all the perfume that's been in it. And you can just fill this up with cold tap water, that's absolutely fine. The other thing that you're going to need, not absolutely crucial, is a bottle of this, which is called Slido Mix Rapid Comfort. You can buy that online from eBay, from Amazon, or from any decent music shop. If you can't get hold of a bottle of this, then water will work, it just won't last as well. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is take your slide lock off and then remove the outer slide completely from the trombone like that, making sure you place this down carefully so you don't dent it. If you dent your trombone slide, it's going to be very difficult to move. First thing you're going to want to do is get your water spray and give it a really good spray all over the inner slide, and then take a soft cloth or a piece of kitchen towel and just wipe down the slide to get rid of any dirt or any gunk that's on it, so it's all nice and dry, ready for you to put some slider mix on. What I would do at this point is just put your outer slide back on the inner slide, making sure that this little mark here, if you can see, goes the same way round as the mouthpiece so that your slide lock lines up. So when you put it back on, like that, it should already feel a little bit better. Now, at this point you want to get your slider mix, unscrew the lid, and what I do here is I generally stand up so just the outer slide can just rest on the floor like that, and then you can just drip a few drops down each side of your slide like that. You don't need very much, little goes a long way. Then move your slide up and down just to help spread the slide lubricant about. And the final thing you need to do is get your water sprayer again and just give it a little spray just to help make that lubricant go a little bit further. And your slide should move really nicely. Now that should last you for about a week, maybe a few days if you play a little bit more. If at any point during that time you find your slide starting to get a little bit sticky again, you can just get your water sprayer out, give it another spray, and that usually loosens up the slide lubricant. Obviously if you find it's getting unplayable, then get a bit more slider mix and go through the whole process again. But I hope that's helpful.